Alright. Inside. Blow the rain line out. Oh, I ain't got much in there, do I? See if it'll work. Did a leak check yesterday. Should have got me some stuff. Some nitrogen. Door locked. Oh, never mind, it opened. Duh. Childproof.
My wife on the back.
Childproof.
Yeah. And this is a good day. It's hot and swells up. Couldn't hardly even open the damn thing. Do you mind if I hang out and watch it?
No, you're good. Oh, that might not be enough. This whole thing is, I got no air, huh? Oh well.
There's a plant engineer in a few different industrial plants.
Oh yeah.
They just would blow those up with fire extinguishers.
Yeah, here in Florida we have to do it a lot. Jacksonville especially. So it's like, I mean it's a thing. It's a term called zoogluia, and what it happens is comes from the coils being aluminum instead of copper, aluminum, and galvanized. Copper was like a bacteria fighter.
Yeah.
And there's no copper in either. It's aluminum now, so that's what the problem gets to be. So.
Makes its own problem.
Yep, it's okay, so it's dry there. Alright, so I thought that might have been the problem. Alright, so what size is this? This is a how big is this house? How many square feet?
1750.
1750.
How big is the unit?
It's a 2.5 ton.
2.5.
That's 1750.
Sounds kind of small.
Yeah, that is real small for this house. It should be about a 3.5. See what the outside look like as far as blowing it out. It's still not on. See how big this unit is. This is a 2.5. We'll put a 2.5 ton unit on here. Oh, it's this. My bad. Forgot to put the power in after I was checking the cat. See what that looked like. Oh, no, it wasn't that much bad. It wasn't that much. Oh, it's all over my dam. Yeah, a little bit. Alright, let me go get my phone. Bum, bum. Let's see what we got here. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, it is low. It is low. And I will bet you that that is the problem right here. All right. Let's see what we got here. It's a 2.5 ton and a 1,700 square foot home. So I don't think the insulation is that good, but we'll find out. We'll find out what the deal is. Okay, so all we could do is can't reach nobody at Watson, so the only thing I can do is charges. I only got a certain amount of money limited, so we're gonna have to come back and do a leak check on this thing. I'm gonna say that that line dryer is definitely suspect. I looked inside the coil inside, I didn't see nothing. I mean, I can't really do nothing unless I do a leak check, but so it's a 2.5 ton and a 1,700 square foot home, so we definitely have to address that. And I'm just trying to see, I don't see no bubbles out here, but if it's not that, it's going to be inside the coil and the air handler. So, alright, well, this is going to conclude this one here. We're going to wrap it up, and I'll come back out tomorrow and get authorization. It only takes 24 hours to get authorization, so we'll come back out and get it. We'll see you tomorrow.